From the devices in our hands to the towering skyscrapers above us, our world is shaped by materials we rarely think of. The invisible yet essential elements that power our lives, support our cities, and enable our technologies. Today, we'll dive into the hidden heroes of our modern world, the metals that shape our everyday lives. Let's take a closer look. Our journey starts with a metal we see every day yet often overlook: aluminium. Lightweight, flexible, and highly resistant to corrosion, aluminium is a powerhouse of modern industry. Aluminium's low density makes it a perfect choice for products that need to be light yet durable. That is why we find it everywhere, from the body of your smartphone to the frame of airplanes. Aluminium is also infinitely recyclable. About 75% of all aluminium ever produced is still in use today. It is an environmentally friendly hero, cutting down on waste while meeting our modern needs. Next, we move to copper, the unsung hero of connectivity. Copper is one of the best conductors of electricity, making it an essential part of everything that runs on power. It is copper that enables the energy flow, carrying electricity from power plants to our homes, offices, and gadgets. Nearly all our electrical infrastructure relies on copper's versatility goes beyond wires. It is also found in coins, jewelry, and even in medical applications thanks to its antibacterial properties. So, while copper may be out of sight, it is always working behind the scenes. When it comes to strength, titanium is the metal of choice. It is as strong as steel but weighs nearly half as much. Known for its corrosion resistance, titanium is vital in industries that demand durability. Titanium's unique properties make it essential for everything from aerospace components to medical implants and even high-performance sports equipment. It is not only tough but also biocompatible, meaning it works well with the human body, making it ideal for surgical implants. Titanium is more than just a metal, it is a lifesaver. Still, the backbone of modern civilization is the ultimate construction material made primarily of iron and carbon. Steel's strength and durability make it ideal for building infrastructure. From skyscrapers and bridges to cars and appliances, steel is what makes our world structurally sound. But steel's magic doesn't stop at construction. Its malleability means it can be forged into countless forms, adapted to various needs, from the smallest screws to massive beams. It's the quiet giant of our world, giving shape and strength to everything around us. Our modern lives are built on the strength, conductivity, and resilience of metals. These hidden heroes may go unnoticed, but they are essential to everything we touch, see, and rely on. Every time we make a call, board a plane, drive across a bridge, or hold our devices, we are witnessing the power of these metals. They may not always get the spotlight, but they shape our world in ways we can't live without. So next time you pick up your phone or pass by a skyscraper, remember the metals working behind the scenes, our hidden heroes.